Hi, all trade finance professionals. One question always arises in BL, bill of exchange, insurance, any negotiable instrument, any. The question is holder in due course. Many times we face the problem, holder in due course. There are various laws to it. But this problem is generally there for means not only juniors, for seniors also. Many senior bankers also face the same. So holder in due course, very important point. Today we will be discussing on the same point. What is holder in due course, or who is considered as holder in due course? Firstly, we will be discussing what is due course. But before that, going ahead, everyone like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Don't miss this. Okay? Don't miss this, because see, we have to grow this community, doc check community. As it grows more, the documents flow will be smooth. There will be less of discrepancies, right? Many of them are trying. We are also trying on the same. Okay? So let's spread it. So who is considered as a holder in due course? Firstly, what is due course? Due course means it's a regular business in good faith. Holder in due course, HDC, is an individual or an entity that has acquired a negotiable instrument such as check, promissory note, bill of exchange in good faith. This important word is good faith. Important word over here is good faith. Okay? For value and without notice of any defects or competing claims against it. This is known as due course. Now, due course means it includes everything. All these points. This check spelling is QUE. Okay? We write it check QUE. So now, important part over here is, firstly, due course means what? Due course means in good faith. You have given me the check, so I have taken it. It's a bearer check, so I have taken it. For what? For some consideration. Consideration means, see this, for value. Value means consideration. Means I have given you something, you have given me this check. So that is consideration. Or value received, we call it. In bill of exchange, we have this word, for value received. Then, without notice of any defect, I don't know whether this sign which you have done is fraud, whether you have stolen this check, I don't know anything about it. Or competing claims against it. Competing claims means what? I even don't know whether this bill of exchange or check which was earlier presented to the check, to the bank, and bank had rejected it, or whether that bill of exchange was earlier presented to the drawee earlier, before giving it to me. Yesterday, day before yesterday, have you presented it? I don't know. You might have presented it and then the drawee might have rejected it. That is called as competing claims. So I don't know anything about it. I have taken in good faith and due course. This is known as the concept of due course. When the receiver does not know any of these facts and does it in with these two facts, good faith and value, and does not know about this any defect or competing claims. Very important point. Now there are various rules to this. Rules to this are, okay, I'll show you. Let's first cover this part. A HDC generally takes the instrument free from personal defenses such as breach of contract or fraud in inducement that the original parties might have had against each other. So again, the same logic goes over here. Competing claims means I don't know, or the defects. I don't know the defects, whether this bill of exchange was rejected, whether you have done, this bill of exchange might have been given to you for something you might have done, whether you have done it completely, or is this bill of exchange worthless, null and void? It can happen. I don't know. So I have taken it in good faith. I have given you some service or something and you have given me. Right? So this is basically good faith. See, now we'll have to understand the difference between one holder and holder in due course. Holder and holder in due course. Only short we'll take it. Holder means person entitled to a negotiable instrument obtained lawfully. Holder means I have obtained it lawfully. I don't know anything. Means I have obtained it. I have given you the service, you have given me the bill of exchange. Okay? In due course, an individual who acquires a negotiable instrument in good faith for consideration before it becomes due for payment. Now see this, there is very thin line. You actually can't discriminate between holder and holder in due course that much. Because I am the holder. See, the basic rule for holder in due course is what? The basic rule for holder in due course is being a holder. Now it's a confusing, more of a Shakespearean theory. Okay, I'll show you with a figure. That's better, isn't it? Otherwise, what happens? We'll go into English. We don't have to go into English, right? Our point is holder in due course. We are not here for debating English, Shakespearean English, right? So this is holder in due course. This is holder in due course. HDC. Okay? Out of this, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 points. Being the holder, value, good faith, and last one is this, without notice of defect. So if I want to be a holder in due course, I need to have these 4 points. So what does it mean now? It means that holder is one part of holder in due course. Holder is a part of holder in due course. For if I want to be a holder in due course, I need to be first the holder of the check, holder of the negotiable instrument. See, when can I file the case against anyone that this bill of exchange is wrong, false? If I am having it. If I am not having it, then how can I file it? Right? Got this point? We need not go in more depth now. Simple logic. Holder in due course is full. Holder is a part of that holder in due course. Other elements to this should also be there if that holder wants to become holder in due course. These 3 elements when added to the holder, then he or she becomes holder in due course. Otherwise, if any of these is not there, any of these, somebody might say, see, I know this is not there, but remaining 2 are there. I am not a holder in due course. For value received, I have not received it for value. Value means consideration, some business. See, important is business. Okay? For value received, business. I am saying, no, I have not done any business. He is just a brother of mine. He has given me the check. It can't be a holder in due course in that case. Value received, business is compulsory. Consideration is compulsory. I'll say the value is not there, remaining 2 are there. Then also I can be the holder. No, not at all. It's not or, it's and, all. This and this and this and this. All the 4 should be there. Remember these 4 words in banking. Holder, value received, good faith, and without the defects, mean notice of the defects. Okay? The classification over here is related to that only, important part. What are the rights of the holder in due course then? Immunity from personal defenses means what? See, if I have given you all these 4 points, that holder, good faith, and defects not known, right? And all these 4 points. Suppose if I have given you all these, value, okay? And you have robbed that bill of exchange. Understand this. You have robbed that bill of exchange. This bill of exchange you have robbed from somebody before giving it to me. So then also I am immune for that because I have given you rightful value. I have taken in good faith. I don't know the before what has happened. So I am in good faith. You are not in good faith. Got it? Be clear, very clear about it. Right? The case will be against you, not me. Okay. Good title. I'll have a good title because I have given you the value. Simple. I have given you, so I am a rightful owner of the money which you have to give me. Right to sue. I can write, see, if you have not paid, suppose if this bill of exchange which you have given me gets bounced, I have a right to sue. Why? Because I have given you the service. Isn't it? Given you or see, agreed to give you. See, it can be advance also. I am going to give you so and so service. I want the advance. So you have given me that bill of exchange. And then it bounces. Then also, value. Because what is the value in that? My guarantee for doing that work is a value. Getting this point? Pay attention to this. Very important parts. Okay? So, right of holder in due course is always, firstly, the person is immune to any of the personal defects in that bill of exchange. There can be a fake sign also. You can do a fake sign. You give me a check. You do a fake sign. I go to the bank rejects it. After all, what? So, should I go and check the sign before? No. Right? So, these are called as defects. I am immune to that. I can file a case against you. Right? Whichever country. In our country, Bharat, we have section 138. You can go in other countries. Other countries will have different. But every country has some law on this. Good title, correct? Good title and right to sue. So this was holder in due course. Very important concept. Understand the summary of this if I want to tell you. Important is 4 points. These 4 points. Holder, value, good faith without notice of defect. Number 1. And number 2, second summary of this is, for being a holder in due course, you need to be first the holder. Okay? For more videos like this, kindly follow our channel. CDCS at Adda 24/7. Now, where do we get this channel? See, very simple. Go to Google, just type CDCS training. Check in the YouTube or video section. Okay, you'll get it. Check in the video section, you'll get it immediately, or just check in all, you'll get it immediately. Okay? Ask to AI, you'll get it immediately. CDCS at Adda 24/7. All important videos are done over here. Videos plus various shorts. See, what are the shorts related? Is CDCS compulsory? Why? CDCS, what is material discrepancy? So, you just go on checking it. UCP articles, they are taken. It's for the benefit of all. So kindly you also watch it, subscribe to it, click on the bell icon, tell your friends also. And those who are giving CDCS or appearing for CDCS, kindly follow our, see, go to Adda 24/7, download the app. Check this CDCS exam. Okay, Certified Documentary Credit Specialist exam. We have online classes for it. Okay. All the articles UCP, ISBP, URR, EUCP and ISP 98. All of them latest one. ISBP is 821. EUCP is 2.1. UCP is obviously 600. Okay. So latest ones are taken and URR and remaining are the same ones. ISP 98. So these are taken as latest. All the articles are covered in details. You can check some samples. You have free samples over here. You can check the free samples first. Okay. And what is the discount? See, discount is huge. See, remember the code which I'll tell you. Vishal, VISHAL. Vishal, Sir, SIR, and then 50. 50% discount you are getting. If you want any, you can say EMIs. If you want any installments, you can speak to the number 098 198 19247. Call on this number. Okay. You be from any country. You be from any country. Call on the number, contact Adda 24/7 helpline, any helpline you contact and tell them I want about CDCS. immediately they'll connect to the concerned team, or if any problem, they'll connect it to me also. Okay? So don't miss and follow the channel. Follow CDCS. Okay? You know the importance of it. Bye.